I'm the dietitian with the Muscle and Joint Clinic in Mississauga. If you're wondering what I could do for you as a dietitian, my answer would be I can help you learn more about food, embrace food more, and enjoy it a lot. I'm here to help you find practical solutions to manage any of health condition you might have to live with, like diabetes or heart disease, or I can help you motivate you and support you to make healthy lifestyle changes. So if you're at all interested in booking a consult with me, you can reach out to the clinic. We have those free first consult to get to know each other better.